They say the sea can be a treacherous place, but considering that most of us tend not to go too deep into the heart of the sea, we might never really understand what that means. Still though, the sea does a pretty good job of reminding people every now and then that it's not to be messed with, and the primary way through which it's done is through waves. Now when you think of waves, you probably picture those smooth ones that wash up on the shore all calm and tickle your feet, but waves are so much more than that. They can be dangerous, unpredictable, and flat out roguish. Don't believe me? Well, it's a good thing you're here, because in this video we're going to check some of those wild and most outlandish waves out that have been caught on camera, and perhaps they might be enough to change your mind.
Fishing trawler gets tossed around in rough seas in the North Atlantic Ocean. A Navy boat exercise nearly goes very wrong during a storm force 12. The Navy patrol boat had trouble battling large swells. If the boat were to capsize, it would be a difficult operation to rescue them.
Delete the pornos, bro.
Footage shows a 12,000-ton Navy ship battling large waves in Storm Force 10 conditions. Small fishing vessel gets caught in rough seas. Anchor ship faces monster waves in the North Atlantic Ocean. This ship ran out of fuel and had to get towed back to port through rough seas in the Indian Ocean.
Masuk. Anjay, kelem. Wai. Woo! Woo!
A cruise ship gets caught in a storm off the coast of Greenland. Cargo vessel gets smashed up in a powerful storm.